everyone, it's me Soumya and welcome back to my channel. Let's see how to make this delicious orange kulfi at home. Let's get started, shall we? So for this, you need just 3 main ingredients. Here I am taking 600 ml of milk, 2 oranges, and for 600 ml milk I am taking 6 tablespoons of granulated sugar, but you can add more or less according to yourself. Start by taking out the orange pulp such a way that the skin is not destroyed. Repeat the same steps for the other orange too. Now we have 2 orange shells and the orange pulp. Put these orange shells into the freezer and take out the juice from the pulp and put it in the freeze too. Now in a pot add milk and bring it to a boil. So while making kulfi at home, we all have complaints about ice crystal formation in it. So to avoid it, make sure you add sugar in the beginning of the process as I am doing here. In that way, the sugar will cook equally with the milk, avoiding the formation of ice crystals after freezing. Boil the milk until it reduces to 3/4 of its total quantity. It took me approximately 6 to 7 minutes to boil the whole milk. Now the milk is almost ready. At this point, I am adding some chopped almonds to it. And I am also adding some orange food coloring, but you can skip this step if you want to. Give it a quick stir. Wow, it looks beautiful. Now the milk is perfectly cooked. Let it get cool down and then it will be ready to be filled in the orange shells. Now the milk is being cooled down completely. Put some orange juice to it and mix it well. Let's pour the milk into the shell like so. I fill the rest of the milk into these glasses and now I am covering them with the foil and putting them into the freezer too. The kulfi is fully frozen now. Let's cut a piece and check. Wow, It looks extremely delicious and beautiful. At last, serve it with some fresh mint leaves and you're done. So that is it for today, guys. I really hope that you liked this delicious recipe of orange kulfi, and if you did, then definitely give it a try. Click a picture and post it to my social medias. Also, if you like this video, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Until then, thank you so much for watching and I will see you very soon. Bye!